Hi, if your Telegram notifications aren't working properly, you've changed too many notification settings, or you simply want to start fresh. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to reset all Telegram notification settings on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Telegram app on your Android device. Once the app launches, tap Settings, which is represented by the gear icon at the bottom of the screen in the latest version of Telegram. Inside the Settings menu, select Notifications and Sounds. This section contains all the options related to message alerts, call notifications, sounds, vibrations, and other notification preferences. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Near the end of the menu, you'll find an option called Reset All Notifications. Tap on it to continue. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to reset all notification settings. This is your final confirmation before Telegram restores the default notification preferences. Tap Reset to proceed. That's it. Telegram will immediately reset all customized notification settings back to their original defaults. This includes notification sounds, vibration patterns, pop-up settings, priority levels, and other notification preferences you've previously changed. Don't worry, this process does not delete your chats, messages, media, contacts, or account information. It only restores the notification settings so your conversations remain completely safe. Thanks for watching. Subscribe today